Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video, and in today's video we're doing something a little bit different. As you can see, today we're doing a triple model unboxing. This is 3 Boeing 737s going from a 700 all the way up to a MAX 9 with a P-8 Poseidon in between. But anyways guys, I guess let's go ahead and get right into it. This style is going to be a boxing review, so boxing and review of our 3 new models here. So we're going to go ahead and start with this 700 from Southwest. This is in the old livery, the mustard livery as it's nicknamed. Here's the front of the box. Of course, it's a classic Gemini Jets Southwest box. As you can see, Boeing 737-700. Let's go ahead and do the sides. I know this aircraft was just replaced with the MAX 8 as the new mustard livery. I'll be picking that one up soon, so this model will only be featured in one airport update. Here's the back of the box. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. Alright, so here is the model. It's a interesting color, to say the least. Mustard yellow is not one of my favorite colors, but it is cool to see on an airplane, as you can see here. So Gemini Jets does a really good job of the Boeing 737 family. They are pretty accurate with the model. As you can see, it is probably the closest model out there to a actual 737. But you can see all the livery details: the red bottom, the mustard top, and the orange accents. But that is the Mustard 737-700. We're gonna go ahead and move on now to the P-8 Poseidon, the Korean Navy P-8 Poseidon. So let's go ahead and start with the front of the box. Here's the front of the box. As you can see, Republic of Korean Navy. This plane is pretty much a sub hunter. So they go out there and hunt for submarines. But here's the front of the box. Here are the sides. Here is the back. It's the new Gemini Mace, or Mace's box design. So as you can see, this is the new Gemini Jets box design. This is a 2023 Las Vegas, Nevada release. And here is the flap. And there's the model. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. Alright, so here is the model. I've done another one of these P-8 Poseidons on my other P-8 Poseidon, sorry. My US Navy P-8 Poseidon. If you want to watch that video, it's up in the... If you want to watch my US Navy P-8 Poseidon, the card is up in the right. I did a review on that not too long ago. So here is the model. Of course, it's beautiful. The detail is insane. As you can see, all the instruments that they use for, I believe, hunting subs. I don't really know the purpose of this aircraft, but kind of like an AWACS sub hunter is what I believe this aircraft is. And you can see all the Korean Navy inscriptions on the side of it and the Korean Navy logo on the back. All right, so that will do it for that one. Let's go ahead and do the final one in this triple model unboxing, which is this Alaska Airlines 737 MAX 9 in the Orca livery. Or, yeah, Orca livery, I don't know it may be a result SeaWorld collaboration, but I'm just gonna call it the Orca livery until I figure out what it is. But here's the front of the box. As you can see, standard Gemini Jets box. You got your Alaska branding in your Alaska plane. Here are the sides. Here's the back. This is a 2022 Las Vegas Nevada release. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. Oh, sorry. Forgot the flap, but there is a flap about the Boeing 737 MAX 9. We haven't featured a 737 MAX 9 on the channel yet. And then there's the model. But yeah, this is the first MAX 9 to be featured on the channel. And it's my first MAX 9. Actually, I have two of these. One came broken and we said, hey, it's broken, we'll send it back if you don't mind sending us a new one. And then they just sent us a new one and didn't ask for the other one back. So if you want to know if you want me to do something with that one, go ahead and comment down below. But here is the model. It is absurd on how big it is. I can't wait for the MAX 10 because that thing's supposed to be so much bigger than this. But here is the model. As you can see in the insane detail that Gemini Jets is able to print these. You can see all the detail in the livery, all the orcas jumping, and that beautiful, beautiful tail. You can see the massive LEAP engines on it, and yeah, so that's pretty much it for that one. I mean, I can't get over how big this thing is. It is absolutely a massive aircraft. Alright guys, I think that will do it for this video. Here, let me set them all up before we do a conclusion. Alright guys, I think that'll do it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. This is first triple model unboxing I've done in a while. It's been like 2 years. 2021 was the last one, I think. Right around my birthday, right around this time. Anyways guys, really thank you all so much for watching this video. Can't wait for next week. Next week we got a triple port. And then after that we're starting the biggest haul I've ever had. Here, I gotta zoom out for this one. So this is the biggest model haul I've ever had by far. And you can probably tell what a few of them are gonna be. Here it is. It's absolutely huge. There's so many models. And I can't wait to unbox these all for you guys coming up shortly. Anyways guys, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next week for a banger of a trip report, and then I'll see you after that for some more unboxing videos. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned for that. A ton of triple, double unboxings to come. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. This is FunTube Aviation signing off.